Hello everyone, welcome to find the integral, the integration of these integrals. We have the integral of 12x squared minus 7 dx. Okay, now let's get the integral of 12x squared subtract 7 dx. So here, let's apply the power rule of that is power rule of integration. If you have the integral of ax to power n dx, now we can integrate this as ax to power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. Now applying this power rule property, we'll have, this is 12x squared, so we'll have 12x to power 2, so plus 1. Okay, remember we have n plus 1, so n is 2. 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1. Okay, subtract 7. Now this 7 is like this is actually 7x to power 0. Okay, so we just add 1 divided by 0 plus 1. Okay, and then plus c. So the reason we are adding c here is simply because this is an indefinite integral. We are dealing with indefinite integral. Okay, indefinite integral. Okay, we don't have the limit. We don't have the limit here. So here we'll have 12x, okay, raised to power 2 plus 1. This is actually 3 divided by 3. Subtract. Now this is 7. This is 0 plus 1. So this is the same thing as x. Okay, then plus c. So let's simplify here by 3, 1. 12 divided by 3, this is 4. So that you'll have 4x cubed, subtract 7x plus c. So this is the first solution. This is the first solution. So kindly follow the steps. This is the first solution. So let's solve the second integral, which is the integral of 9x to power 3 divided by 2, subtract 10x plus 1 over x squared dx. So let's solve this one. Now let's solve the second integral, which is 9x cubed divided by 2, subtract 10x plus 1 over x squared dx. Now solution here, you find that this integral, this is in the form of ax to power n dx. So when you integrate this, you'll have ax to power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. This is an indefinite integral. Okay, we don't have the limits. So applying this power rule of integration, we'll have, remember this is 9x cubed divided by 2, subtract 10x plus 1 over x squared, okay, all of this dx. Now applying this integration power rule property, we'll have 9x to power 3 now plus 1. Now you can see here we have n plus 1, so this is 3 plus 1 divided by 3. Remember we have 2 times, this is 3 plus 1, subtract 10x, this is x to power 1, so plus 1, sorry, and then divided by 1 plus 1 plus 1 divided by x to power 2. Now we can be able to transform this. If you're given a 1 over a, this can be expressed as a to power negative 1. So let's transform this. So here in the first part, we'll have 9x to power 4 divided by, now here this is 2 times 4, subtract 10 x to power 1 plus 1, which is 2 divided by 2, plus, now here this is x raised to power negative 2. plus 1 divided by negative 2 plus 1. Okay, I hope you're following this. Now this is 9x to power 4 divided by 2 times 4, which is 8. Subtract, now 10 divided by 2, this is basically equal to 5x to power 2. Now here, this is negative 2 plus 1, which is negative 1. Here we have negative 1. Plus divided by negative, this is negative. So we'll have negative x to power negative 1. So which you can write as 9x to power 4 divided by 8. Subtract 5x to power 2. Subtract 1 over x. And this is the final solution. So thank you for following up. Kindly follow the steps, like this video, and subscribe.